Chapter 9 in the City of Houston's Infrastructure Design Manual, the IDM, strictly prohibits developers from forcing sheet flow stormwater onto adjacent properties during construction. Yet during recent storms, this construction site flash flooded our neighborhood. When I brought this to the attention of the mayor's office, they acknowledged the site's sediment berm had completely breached. A quote from the email response I got from the mayor's office: during our last inspection, the contractor stated that during the storm where flooding had occurred, the berm of the sedimentation pond was breached. As soon as the contractor discovered the breach, a worker with a bulldozer was sent to repair the breach. A bulldozer pushing mud back into a failed berm is a temporary fix on an engineering failure. It guarantees it will fail again. The developer dismisses this as a temporary construction issue. The civil blueprints that I was able to view via FOIA request reveal long-term threats to our neighborhood safety.